Hey, what's up guys? It's Umar Lakhani here, also known as Java Little Professor. So in today's video, I'm gonna be teaching you guys the Java try catch method that we use in Java programming, which is a really complex, advanced method that you might not properly understand. So don't worry, I'm here to make sure that you understand this Java method. Okay, so first of all, what is this Java try catch method? Well, basically the Java try catch method, basically for example, you want to write an exception here, any random exception. So for example, you want to divide a number, yes, you want to divide two numbers. So for example, you write like, I don't know, int num or int yeah, so like for example, you want to divide two numbers. So for example, 5 divided by 6, and then you display the answer of it. But like for example, sometimes the error, it's gonna give you an error if you write 5 divided by 0. So 5 divided by 0, it's gonna give you an error, which is an exception error. So exception error, so to handle this, we have to use exception handling. We have to use try catch method. So exception handling, basically we have to use try catch. So catch basically means that it's gonna catch the error, like the exception error, and then replace it with whatever text you want. So for example, I'm just gonna be making a program like by using the scanner here. So scanner console is equals to new scanner system.in, and then I write semicolon. Now we have to write system.out.println for the to divide two numbers. We have to ask the user input. So enter first num, and then we have to write int num1 is equals to console.next console.next int semicolon, and then we have to write system.out.println, enter second number, so second number, and then we have to write int num2 is equals to console.next int. And also, by the way, the scanner name can be anything you want. Okay, now int num2 is equals to console.next int. Now what we simply have to do, we have to divide those two numbers. So we have to write num1 is equals to, we have to write int answer is equals to num1 divided by num2, and then semicolon. Now we have to display the answer by using by just printing it out. So system.out.println, the answer is plus, the answer is plus answer, because we initialized it, answer with the division. Okay, plus answer. Now once we are done writing that, we have to use the catch method. So catch method, it's gonna detect if it's possible, it's gonna catch the error. It's gonna catch the exception error. Like for example, you write 5 divided by 0, which is impossible. So it's gonna catch that error. And to catch that error, you have to write a specific code here. So the specific code basically goes like this. You have to write exception. So exception here, and then you have to write E. So exception E. And also, by the way, the exception E, like the E variable, it can be anything that you want. So it can be exception B, exception C, like anything. Okay. So but most of all, everybody they use E, which represents catch exception error. Yeah, for me it represents error. Okay, now we have to write system.out.println. You have to write the answer is colon plus the answer is the answer is infinity. Yeah, just like that. The answer is infinity. So basically, the answer would be infinity. Just like that, except exception E. Yeah, EXCEPT IONE, now exception E. Now, once we try to execute this program, now let's enter our first number, 5, and then to make this program work, we have to divide it by 0 so that it's gonna print and the answer is infinity. And if you don't believe me, check this out. 5 divided by 0, the answer is infinity. So what this basically does, it's gonna go like into the try. So why not try? Like answer is equals to num1 divided by num2, and then system.out.println, the answer is plus answer. Yeah, it's just gonna display the answer. But like if there is no error, then it's just gonna simply execute this line here, and it won't reach this line because there would be no error to catch, right? So if there would be an error to catch, like exception error, for example, that it divide by 0, then it would proceed to the catch method, which is gonna catch the exception E and simply gonna print the answer is infinity. And voila, this code was very simple. So no need to worry about like being confused a little bit about the Java try catch method. And it's just like so simple, it's basically just gonna catch an error and you can replace it with whatever you want. That's it. Like 4 divided by 0, the answer is infinity. And yeah, guys, that was it for my video. So make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell too, so that you won't miss any of my videos. And yeah, guys, have a nice day. Bye.